middle of the Lok Sabha elections, a political firestorm that seems to be raging on in Jammu and Kashmir. Unfortunately, this is over the recent terror attack. Congress leader Charanjit Singh Channi has called the Poonch terror attack as a stunt. He says that such kind of stunts are attempted by the BJP to win the Lok Sabha elections. Former Punjab Chief Minister from the Congress was reacting to the recent terror attack that left an Air Force personnel martyred and 4 others injured on Saturday. Channi, who is a Congress candidate from Jalandhar Lok Sabha seat, called the attack as orchestrated and performed by the BJP to make the party win, and he also accused the BJP of playing with the lives of the people.
कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती।
Now, the terrorists who ambushed and carried out this attack on the Indian Air Force's convoy in Poonch 3 weeks ahead of the polling in Anantnag Rajouri Lok Sabha constituency, the stunt remark by the Congress candidate from Jalandhar constituency has now triggered a mega political row. BJP is now saying that Congress linking it to elections is not just appalling but also disrespectful to those who serve the nation and give up their lives. Union Minister Anurag Thakur has sought an apology from the Congress party leadership.
देखिए, मोदी जी हमेशा जो है उनको कुर्सी के आगे कुछ नहीं दिखता, न देश दिखता, न राष्ट्र दिखता, न सेवा दिखती, न सुरक्षा दिखती। उनको केवल वोट दिखता। किस तरह से उनको वोट मिल जाए वही उनके लिए सब कुछ है। और ये पुलवामा कांड से साबित हो गया कि सरकार क्या कर सकती है। तो हमेशा जो है, जो सेना हमारी थी, जो हमारी रक्षा का दीवार करती, सेना सीमा पर रक्षा करती, तभी हम लोग आराम से सोते हैं। लेकिन उनके भी मनोबल को माने जो तोड़ दे हैं, उनको भी दैनिक वेतन में नौकरी पे रखा जाए, तो इसे क्या कहीं से बड़ा दुर्भाग्य क्या हो सकता है।
Now, Union Minister Anurag Thakur, who is now targeting the Congress and asking how low will the party stoop.
मेरा एक सवाल कांग्रेस पार्टी से, क्या 1962 का युद्ध, 1965 का युद्ध, 1971 का युद्ध, क्या ये कांग्रेस ने चुनाव जीतने के लिए करवाए थे? इससे घटिया बयान जिसपे कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को माफी मांगनी चाहिए, सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी जी को माफी मांगनी चाहिए, देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। ये हमारी सेना की काबिलियत पर प्रश्न चिन्ह उठाते हैं। क्या कांग्रेस चुनाव जीतने के लिए अब हमारे वीर सैनिकों को भी अपमान करेगी?
Pradeep Datta is joining us live. Pradeep, now this is concerning, especially during the time of elections. Everything is linked to elections, even when it comes to terror attacks, even when it comes to dragging our forces into such political statements.
This is bound to happen when political parties, they keep their Rashtra Niti below Rajniti, and that's bound to happen because they are more concerned about getting votes, and that is one of the reasons that they have started insulting our brave heart. What they are trying to do, one, they are trying to absolve Pakistan and Pak proxies of all the sins committed by them. Not only that, second thing what they are trying to do, they are trying to blame BJP and trying to blame the government for these attacks. And third, they are giving clean chit to Pak terrorists. And D, they are trying to discredit the valor of our troops. They are not realizing under what difficult circumstances they are working day in, day out. For the last 48 hours, I am also part of this operation. I have seen that how they are trying to cordon that area. It's not that easy terrain. It's a rugged terrain. There are several cave hideouts. So it's not that easy. This is not first time when the attack has been carried out by Pakistani terrorists in this area. Already we have seen that in the past also there had been 3 ambush. Why all of a sudden they feel that this is simply a stunt? I think it's a very insensitive, obnoxious statement coming from this side, and this is not first time when Congress has given this statement. They had called for surgical strike a surgical strike. for second surgical strike, they had started asking for sabut. And then after Pulwama bombing also, they had been casting aspersion. Each and every attack, they are casting aspersion and trying to blame government for everything. Even 26/11 for them, when Hemant Karkare was killed, they said it was basically the handiwork of RSS, and they are trying to weave in conspiracy theories. That way, they are only serving interests of Pakistan, serving interests of the international element. But the nationalist forces are feeling really very bad and sorry, because I had been interacting with them, because they will not be speaking on camera, but many of them, the police officers, they said it's really painful to see that such a statement coming from the main political party in the country.
Well,
Congress
exactly.
Party,
When it comes to finding out who was the mastermind, who was behind this cowardly attack, Pradeep, there is a breaking update coming in. The sketches, we are told, that have been released as far as the